Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come to you with the final or semi-final part of my 23K haul. These are items that are from the fall winter collection from Chanel, and there are two more items that I picked up, and if you want a really strong hint about one of them, I'm wearing it. Okay, so actually wearing hints for both. But anyway, without further ado, let's dive right in. The first item is in here. This was actually already wrapped when I got to the boutique, so I actually haven't seen it yet. So that's kind of exciting. Okay, in here. I feel like this is like a bigger box than you normally see with this item, which I'll just slide out. It is this cute little flower twilly, which I thought would match the sweater that I also got from this collection so well. So it's flowers all on one side and then round CCs on the other. This retailed for $350 and it's from 23K. There's the info. It's cloudy and rainy today, so I have my ring light on, but it kind of like washes everything out. It's this really pretty petal pink. And I love these. I think they're so useful. They're pretty when they're tied onto a bag or wrapped around a handle. This is actually a twilly right here. I can do a separate video on different ways that I like wear and style a twilly. I just wrap this around a headband. So I could do a tutorial in another video. If you're interested, please comment down below. Okay, so that was the first item, really cute. Matches that sweater and the earrings that I got, so that's really fun. And then the whole collection actually is just so cohesive with the different shades of like pink and black and white, and I think it's like really like a mod vibe. Okay, the second item is in this box. Okay, comment down below what you think it is, any guesses. All right, so I'll take the camellia off. I really loved how this collection focused on the camellia flower as like the center piece of the collection. It is just like the perfect sort of like Chanel, I don't know, logo, like not logo, emblem. It's like so emblematic of the house. I feel like, you know, the camellia, the perfume bottle, the CC, they all have kind of like a special place in the house of Chanel. Okay, this item, and of course we know all the paperwork. Okay. Put this down. Okay. This is the bag I got, another mini bag, I know. But I couldn't resist this little camellia mini that matches my jacket. I talked about in my ready to wear video, you know, getting the matching set is just such a vibe. It's the way to go. I was also at the same time I picked this up looking at a white Coco Neige backpack, which was really cute. But, you know, white nylon backpacks come and go, but you'll only get one opportunity to buy the tweed that matches your ready to wear. So I had to do this. This has also a cute little charm on the chain. I can take the tape off so you can see it better. It's champagne gold hardware, and the tweed is like this really interesting texture. Here, I'll show you. There's two little ones. One is a CC and one says Chanel Paris. So cute. A little extra detail there. Cute. Okay, so this tweed, it is fully woven. Some people were talking online, like, is this painted on? What it is it's like a strip of like boucle thread that has been dipped into paint, but then it's woven into the bag. So it's not painted on, it was painted before the bag was fabricated. And here I can, there's a little CC on front. I wish the lighting was better. In real life, the pink is so vibrant. The inside of this bag is fully leather lined. There's a little slip pocket here and a zipper, I don't know if you can see. And then the microchip here. So cute. It's like just the perfect little mini bag. It is a magnetic closure because the camellia wouldn't allow for a turn lock. So it just goes like that, and then to open, you slide under. Be careful not to fuss the camellia. This is not a rough and tumble bag, okay? This is the bag you take to like tea or lunch, not to like your raucous party. Okay, this, what am I looking for? Okay, retailed for $5,100. There you go. And it also has the little back slip pocket with the card in it. So cute. So I love that it matches the jacket. I think it's so sweet. I was talking about how this collection really focused on the emblem of the camellia, which is just such a classic Chanel iconography. I think that's the word I was looking for before that I couldn't come up with. And you know, this, like, it all ties together so well. So this bag would go great with the black and pink sweater that I got, anything like a pink outfit that you're trying to dress up for the night because it brings in the black, a black outfit that you're trying to like bring more like fun and liveliness to. And it's just so sweet. And I'm so happy to have it to match my jacket. And these are just pieces that you will keep forever and ever and ever. And if you treat them well, they will, you know, stay beautiful for a very long time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy unboxing videos. I know a lot of people watch unboxing videos, but you know, not everyone likes to admit that they like unboxing videos. So if you're willing to admit it, give the video a thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.